Welcome to the next video of Forestry Techzz. The sound of handheld chainsaws roaring in the vast forests. The sound of tree cutting machines screaming. That is all the things that attract video viewers. People who have the same hobby of watching logging videos. Learning about large, dangerous chainsaws with amazing power. Now let's see some popular types of handheld chainsaws. Let's go. First is a scene of a guy using a Skil MS-211 chainsaw to cut a large tree trunk. He seems to have a hard time cutting it down. Had to use tools to support. I don't rate this chainsaw highly. Next is a Skil MS-260 professional gasoline chainsaw. The cut is very decisive. I feel okay about this saw because he is very professional. Next is the Hurricane Pro 3 Turbo Orange. Needless to say, it's excellent and worth using. Next is the Skil MS-250 chainsaw. A low-end chainsaw suitable for people with poor health when logging. The next scenes are of the compact Skil MSE-141C electric chainsaw. Suitable for small woodworking in sawmills. The next two shots are of the Skil MS-260 professional gasoline chainsaw. It is widely used for sawing logs of moderate diameter, and is also useful for loggers. I rate it as stable. The next scene is the heavy-duty Skil MS-070 chainsaw, used to cut large-diameter old tree trunks. We notice that the cutter does not need to use much force, but the cuts are still very sharp. I highly appreciate this chainsaw. The next scene is the heavy-duty Skil MS-070 chainsaw, used to cut large-diameter old tree trunks. We notice that the cutter does not need to use much force, but the cuts are still very sharp. I highly appreciate this chainsaw. Next is a scene of a tractor built like a tree digger. Its power is like a beast. Right guys? Finally, a 52cc Dolmer German brand 5210 running on gasoline. Looks like its performance is very stable. Right? Those are some popular chainsaws that I want to introduce to everyone. I hope everyone watching the video will feel happier and more excited. See you in the next video.